Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Reviewer Winspections, the go-to destination for best laptop cooling pads. If you're new here, I'm Nathan, and thrilled to have you join our community. Today's video is going to be top 5 laptop cooling pads, something I'm passionate about, and I think you'll love it too. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. It helps out the channel. Alright, let's get into today's content. Number 1. Heavit Cooling Pad. The Heavit Laptop Cooler Cooling Pad is one of the best thin laptop cooling pads. Even with a slimmer form factor, it doesn't sacrifice cooling power, though. Its 3 fans can spin up to 1100 RPM, chilling even very hot gaming laptops. Unfortunately, it lacks a fan control, so you can't dial back the power or, more importantly, turn down the sound of the fan spinning at full blast. About this item: slim, portable, and lightweight, allowing you to protect your investment wherever you go. Doubles as an ergonomic stand with 2 adjustable height settings. The high-quality multi-directional metal mesh provides your laptop with a wear-resistant and stable laptop carrying surface. Extra USB port and power switch design. Built-in dual USB hub allows for connecting more USB devices. Warm tips: the packaged cable is USB to USB connection. Type-C connection devices need to prepare a Type-C to USB adapter. Number 2. TopMate Cooling Pad. The TopMate C5 laptop cooling pad is the best cheap laptop cooling pad, but it's surprisingly feature-packed. It combines 4 small fans with 1 larger center fan to provide maximum cooling power. It's also the only cooler on the list with an LCD display that provides information on the current settings. Unfortunately, the blue LEDs can't be disabled, and they're relatively bright, which might be annoying for some users. There are also 2 additional USB ports at the rear of the cooling pad, which let you power additional devices. About this item: TopMate Gaming Laptop Cooling Pad has 5 fans, 4 outer fans, and a large center super strong wind fan. It can prevent laptop, router, Xbox, PS4 network devices from overheating under different use situations. 5 height adjustment allows you to raise your viewing and typing experience, thus relieving the pain in your neck and back. Number 3. Targus Cooling Pad. Most laptop coolers are designed to sit on a desk as part of a semi-permanent laptop workstation. That's fine for some, but now that so many of us work from home, our office shifts daily. The Targus Dual Fan Chill Mat is one of the best laptop cooling pads for your lap that is actually meant to keep your laptop cool enough to rest. Its rounded edges and rubber pads keep it from slipping, and it has a slight tilt to help with typing. If there's one real drawback here, it's the lack of a USB hub or USB pass-through. The dual fans are powered using a standard USB-A connection that can also be connected to your laptop or computer using a mini USB cable. Includes a USB hub to help share the USB connectivity used to power the built-in fans. Soft neoprene material on the bottom provides cushion comfort while the chill mat is sitting on your lap. Number 4. Klim Ultimate Cooling Pad. As the best laptop cooling pad for gaming, the Klim Ultimate Laptop Cooling Pad is the RGB lover's external cooling solution. It has a large, lower RPM fan that makes for quiet cooling. The lighting elements surround the pad, maximizing its colorful display, which you can customize with one of 5 strobing effects and 7 color combinations. It also has 4 different height settings, which is great in theory but can make it hard to reach the rear lighting and fan controls, according to some users. The Klim Ultimate's huge 200mm fan dissipates the heat on your laptop to boost its performance. The bright RGB rim around the cooler has 5 effects and 7 colors to choose from, so you can find the best look for your setup. This laptop cooling pad features a powerful fan that spins at 750 RPM and creates a large airflow to cool your computer with minimum noise. Number 5. Thermaltake Massive Cooling Pad. For this laptop cooler, the name says it all. The Thermaltake Massive 20 RGB is the best laptop cooling pad for really big computers. Good external cooling for large gaming laptops can be hard to find on account of their unconventionally large chassis designs. This refreshed version of the Thermaltake Massive 20 is large enough to cool a monster desktop replacement laptop and features RGB lighting. Unfortunately, its greatest strength is also its most significant issue. The size also makes it a desk-only option. Control lights and fans easily via the built-in control panel, including the light mode button, color mode button, and fan speed knob. Steel mesh surface with an integrated 200mm silent fan for optimal airflow and high thermal performance. Ergonomically designed with 3 adjustable height settings, 3 degrees/9 degrees/13 degrees, for the best viewing and typing angle. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.